here, you little nest. Emma, the dogs are out.
I'm videotaping for Aunt Michelle, and I'm Bailey and Jarrett and Uncle Gary.
Mosey!
Hey, naughty girl.
Where'd you go?
Oh, wow. Where are you, Em?
She's in the forest.
In what forest? In the trees? Where are you, Emma?
I found Mosey! Mosey!
Oh, there you are.
I was way back there so I could watch it.
What happens if you walk out in the part that hasn't been touched?
Mosey, you get back here.
You think? How deep is it?
It's right up to my knees.
Just your knees?
Yeah, my knees. Mosey.
Huh.
You also over there it's smaller, so
It's not as deep over there. I don't know. I guess because of the way the wind blows through?
yeah, it's just under the bushes. There's not much
Where's he going, Mosey? Where is he going? Oh. You speak? I said snow! There's snow! Go get the snow! Go get the snow! Here. Alright, look. Oh, it's too powdery to make a snowball. Too powdery at the, I wonder if the very bottom snow you can mix it. There we go. Naughty girl! Oh my God, I'm gonna fall. There, porch swing. Oh. Okay. Oh, the sky's starting to get blue. Hi, Maddie. Can I come through? Oh, look at these poor tree branches. They're gonna come down. Oh God. Girls, what are you doing up here? Oh, wow. Oh, Maddie. Babies. Oh, God. Gosh. Oh. Guys, look at all the snow on top of the house.
Whoa! We never realized that.
Do you guys want to...
We found yellow snow.
Don't eat the yellow snow. Why don't you guys go swing?
Where? Okay. Look how...
See, you guys are not even sinking to the bottom, because you just stepped over the bar for the swing set, and that's like 3 feet high. Yeah, because look at the slide. You usually have to climb up a ladder to get on the slide, and you can just step onto it. Good poor Maddie girl.
That's not good. Don't be afraid to take the room. Mom, this is a big day to swing. Mom, watch. Mom, watch this.
Okay.
Watch. What's this?
You didn't go anywhere, huh? Oh, this is insane.
Hey, Mama, I want to show you mine and Emma's hut. In the trees. Look. If you crawl, then you can stay on top of the snow.
Poor Maddie. If you crawl, that's true, because you spread out your body weight. Oh, that's smart. But if you try to walk, you sink in?
Come look at Emma's hotel.
Her hotel?
Yeah, the spot where we're turning.
Oh, in the trees?
This is Emma's room.
Okay. Oh, gosh.
You can probably fit in if you count them.
Oh, yeah, look at that. That's handy.
And that hole in the back is the back door where you can see lots of sun.
Huh. Interesting. You guys going to sleep out here tonight?
Yeah. Maybe. We need a sleeping bag.
Look at these poor tree branches. They're weighted down with snow all the way to the ground.
Yeah.
It smells...
Yeah, dumping.
Oh, come on.
Bury it. Bury it.
Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
Ow.
Leave it alone.
And Maddie knows you peed in there.
Look, this seesaw's completely covered in snow.
I know. I had to sit on it to get it all the way out.
Mm.
Maddie.
Oh, gosh. I just sunk.
Maddie.
Oh! Oh, Mama just fell.
Come here, Maddie.
Oh, wow.
What?
I fell down. I'm stuck now.
Here, I'll help. I can dig you out.
No, it's okay. I just gotta get up.
That's where the doggies are.
I see him. Oh, look how snow covered I am.
No need. Never.
Oh, my gracious. All right.
Take a picture of me in the tree.
Do you guys want to say anything to Aunt Michelle?
Hi, Aunt Michelle. This is snow.
Wow.
Take a picture of
Look at the fence. That's a 3-foot fence, and there's maybe, what, a foot of it showing above the snow?
10 inches.
Oh, it's crazy.
We got 5 million gazillion pieces
Crazy,
of snow.
crazy. What are you doing, Mosey?
Look at this. We're going to have 32 inches of snow. Aunt Michelle, look at this. The snow is really good for eating. Mom, are we going to have 32 inches of snow?
No, 30.
Aunt Michelle.
Well, no, we're supposed to get more on Tuesday. Oh,
Aunt
goodness.
Michelle. This is a lovely snow burger.
All right.